If we had to call a weekly, you know, one in between, we did.
We know what case customers like, and we built that into the new design.
One of the things that we tried to do is maintain that case feel. We had to make sure the speed and the feel of the machine was where it needed to be.
The Case N series is a culmination of everything we've learned about tractor loader backhoes through the generations. We don't want to have to follow, we want to be the leaders.
That's when it's...
Tell them that this thing will just dig a circle around the competition.
At the end of the day, the N series is stronger everywhere.